Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel, and today also we have got you another video where I will be showing you how you can simply go ahead and create your Hulu account. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, we will simply just dive into our video. So if you want to do so, first of all, just go to phone's browser, go to search bar, type in hulu.com, or you can simply install the app as well, and then you can see in this kind of interface will open up, right? Then you will be able to don't have an account, start your free trial. Simply tap on this, start your free trial, and then this kind of interface will open up, right? So what you will do is here you will have to select a particular plan. Simply I'll go with the first one, tap on select option, enter your email, enter your password, enter your name. Simply go ahead and enter your birth date information right there. Once you're done, tap on this. If you would like to, tap on the select gender, tap on this. So you will have to make sure that your email address is verifiable. So for me, I have already created an account with my existing email address, right? So once you do it, simply tap on this continue option, and you will simply be able to create your account for your Hulu right there. You will get a confirmation right there in your email address that just entered. Go ahead, tap on that OTP, copy that OTP, come over here, paste it, and there you go. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time.